A pair of Chloe shades and a diamond belly ring. On the 7th.
Is that my hair? What are you doing? What's over here? Oh Lord, Jesus. Jesus. Alexa, what time is it? You cool? I keep trying to go back to sleep, but she keep putting this cold bottle of water on my back. You say good morning. So, I don't know, man. I don't know what we got planned today. Today is December 1st. Oh, your hands are cold. Mwah. Today is December 1st, aka first day of Vlogmas. I'm not prepared at all. I'm not prepared. The fact that I even picked up the camera this morning to record this, I'm trying. Yeah. We trying. I don't know. This might be a very short vlog because I don't know what I'm going to do today. At first, I said I was gonna go get some more Christmas decor, but it's Sunday. Okay. It's Sunday and I feel lazy and I need to get this cold bottle of water off my back. Did you put that there? Yes, I don't know what we're gonna do today. So this might be a short vlog. I can't think of what to do today. I just want to lay here in this bed. But somebody's probably not gonna make that happen. So it turns out we do have plans today. We're going dress shopping for my little cousins, I guess your big cousins, Sweet 16 this month. So yeah, there will not be any bed rotting today. That's all I gotta say. Why are you headbutting me? Hey, goody batootie. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. And get up, make the bed, try to straighten up a little bit, make breakfast, then see where the day takes us from there. But I know that is the thing, one thing that I actually had planned today. Yeah. How do you feel about that? So that's approved by the boss. So for breakfast, we're going to do some cauliflower hash browns, mini pancakes, and then some cheese eggs. That's the cheese. Got the hash browns on. And that is my little munchkin calling me to give her more snacks, because I did start breakfast pretty late today. It's like 11 o'clock. So I'm giving her these little peanut butter puffs to hold her over until I'm done. But yeah, that's our breakfast. Is nowhere near aesthetically pleasing. Cheese eggs, a broken activity yogurt, some cauliflower hash browns, and my 2 little pancakes on a paper plate because fuck them dishes. But yeah, this is gonna get me ready for the day. Update: we are running late, but we're getting our coats on now, and we're about to head to the mall. Please do not rip that down. That'd be nice. I think she's gonna be fluent in sarcasm by the time she's 3. Just having me as a mom, because I don't know what other way to speak. I'll work on it though. All right, Stinka Dinka. Stinka Dinka. Oh, show them your fit. I got on Shein wig, Hello Kitty. I think it's from TJ Maxx. And some regular black pants. I don't remember. Baby girl got on. Come here, Stinka Pinka. Shein sweater. The shirt, all smiles from Old Navy, and then Shein pants. What are you doing? Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, so we're about to get ready to go. Running late, but yeah. I'm trying to hold the phone up. Oh my gosh. I see why moms don't vlog. This is too much. How did you get that diaper? Okay. Are you ready, Stinker? Yeah, mommy. I can't hear you. Oh, yeah, mommy. Oh. What? You gotta put your coat on. You gotta put your coat on. It's cold outside. Oh, crap. Oh, Lord. Jesus. Oh, here we go. Jesus. Oh, we're at the mall. We need to get Stinker some more shoes, because she forgot her shoes at her other parents' house. And she needs gloves and a scarf. Okay. We're leaving. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. It's okay. Okay. We gotta have blankets because it's cold outside. Yay! So very pretty. I just did an extreme zoom. Oh, okay.
That's a good sugar.
Okay, we're back home. I'm about to make some hamburger helper. As you can see, got the tomato, heavy whipping cream because I don't have regular milk. I have like cashew and oat, and I just don't think it'll make sense in hamburger helper. Got the hamburger. Baby girl is still in her stroller asleep. So I was like, I'll just let her be for a little bit so I can just at least get the food started, because I know she's gonna wake up. I'll get the food started and then I'll take her out. Oh, excuse me. I'm starving. I'm starving. Yeah. I didn't get to do nothing. I looked over and she was awake, so I still gotta cook because I'm starving. And I know it's time for her to eat some dinner. Well, it's 5:23. It feels so late because it gets dark out early now. But all she had was she had breakfast, but she had some pretzels at the mall. Okay. Yeah, so I might sit her in her playpen while I cook. No, wrong one. Alright, so today was pretty smooth. My little cousin did not end up getting the dress that I showed you guys. Not yet, at least. We want to look at 2 other shops before we go ahead with that one, because for the price, I'm like, y'all, we could look around a little more. Because it's cute, but it's like, for such a high ticket, you want to look at all your options. So that's that. So we'll go back and look another day, and after that we went to my dad's house. That was smooth. Yeah, now I'm cooking my very black mom post Thanksgiving meal, which is your girl hamburger helper. I don't know why I haven't had hamburger helper in so long, but I just had a craving for it. I was like, I want something besides Thanksgiving food, but I really don't want to cook like that right now. So, bam, my brain came up with hamburger helper. And that's what I'm going to do. I think, yeah, probably just take the rest of the night to unwind. I don't think I'll do Christmas cookies tonight. Who knows? I might include it, but I think I'll pretty much stop the vlog here for today. I'm glad that I got started. I really want to take the time tomorrow. Well, I have more things to do tomorrow, but I do want to take the time either on the like 2nd or 3rd day of the vlog to do like a little get to know me, because I just start talking to y'all and y'all don't know me. So maybe we should rewind it. Like I said, I just picked up the camera and said I'm going to start vlogging today. Oh, that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. Right now it's about 5:40 after I cook, eat, get baby girl situation, bath, I'm going to be editing, and hopefully you will be seeing this posted on December 1st. That's how you know I'm serious. If you see it on December 2nd, I tried. But if you see this was posted on December 1st, baby, just know that I'm that girl. But yeah, that's all to it. That's all she wrote. I'm gonna finish cooking my little hamburger helper, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Might not look like all that, y'all, but when I tell you this hamburger helper is smacking. I think the heavy cream, and then I added the macaroni and cheeses. Whew, baby, it's so good. I just want to eat it straight off the pan. If y'all didn't get a good look, focus, 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 focus. That's our hamburger helper. We try to put some green in it, make it a little healthy. I'm just get a little pickle. Not me spilling pickle juice. That's crazy. Alright, that's my pickle bite. Alright, y'all think it's gonna be good? I hope so. I love pickles too. This is where it's at. We got the good great hamburger helper with the watermelon poppy. Keeping recipes. Okay, I'm for real. Bye.